Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us as we take a look at your weekend weather. And the forecast is actually looking pretty positive for most places, at least for this weekend anyway. Here's how it looks. As we go in towards the weekend for Friday, you can see that southerly change moving in and the high pressure also coming in at the same time, which means we're going to be seeing quite a few frosts over the weekend and mostly dry weather, mostly. There are still a few showers lingering on Saturday. You can see here along the eastern side of the North Island, so basically anywhere from about Wairarapa to Gisborne, there might be some showers likely to be around the coastal side. Once you get inland a bit, mainly dry, and that's where you start to get into that cold sort of potential frost territory. The South Island's certainly going to be seeing frost, heavy frosts, down to -5, maybe below overnight tonight and into Saturday morning. But the North Island's got a bit of a southerly breeze, so while it might feel like it's going to be a frost, the breeze might just keep it away, but there will be some frosty areas in the North Island as well as that big high rolls on in. And if you were on the eastern side of the North Island and feel like you're being a bit ripped off on Saturday with the cloud and showers, it improves a lot on Sunday, and also you keep with the nice weather on Monday when many other places start to go downhill. So everybody gets at least 2 to 3 days of dry, settled weather thanks to this big high coming in across the country just here at the end of the month. And now we go into Monday, and that's when the nor'westers return. So the high is still bringing settled weather to the North Island and maybe even a smidgen warmer as a result of that very light westerly that will start to kick in. And certainly the South Island will be warmer as a result of those nor'westers coming through. Now, I mentioned yesterday the chance of more severe weather coming later next week. Here's the update on it. And as you can see, it's shifted the low further north. And this is why we're saying it's still too early to lock in what sort of severe weather is possible and which regions could be affected. Yesterday the models were showing the whole country. Today it's gone back to what it was showing for the days before, which is a mostly North Island event. But I got to say, if this does happen, it might be a little bit like that setup a few weeks ago where you've got high pressure coming into the South Island, you've got a southerly that's cold on this side, and then a subtropical rain band coming into the North Island, which produces localized heavy rain and then heavy snow higher up. So a long way to go yet. We know something's going to be forming. We're just not sure exactly where. So we'll keep you up to date about that next week. But before we focus on that, remember the weekend coming in, big high, settled, and finally I think most people can get out and do the laundry. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you back on Monday.